So to knit a nipple stitch, you work in pattern to the point in the chart where it says N1, which is what I'm doing right now. And here we go, we have our little nipple there. You insert your needle to knit, you knit once, you move your yarn to the front, go back into the same stitch and purl it, move your yarn to the back, go into the same stitch and knit it, move your yarn to the front, go into the same stitch and purl it, and then slip that stitch off. And what you're left with looks like a little jumbled mess there, a little cluster of stitches that's stitched into one stitch. And then continue knitting in pattern. On the following row, you are going to complete your nipple stitch by working in pattern to those 4 clusters of stitches. Oops, and as I mistakenly don't knit in pattern here. And remember when you're knitting, knitting this hat to tack or weave your stitches as every 3 or 4 stitches. So when you get to that cluster of nipples, what you're going to do, cluster of nipples, if you get to those clusters of stitches, slip the first stitch, slip the second stitch, slip the third stitch, knit the fourth, lift the first stitch over, lift the second stitch over, and lift the third stitch over. Do it individually. If you do it all in one first swoop, A, it's tricky, and B, it'll actually sit kind of weird on your fabric. And then continue along in pattern. So again, I'm going to knit along here, remembering to tack every third. So slip the first stitch, slip the second stitch, slip the third, knit the fourth, and then lift the first, lift the second, lift the third, and then your nipple is complete. And then continuing along.